What's up, friends? It's Mike at Spirit, and today we are introducing a new brand that we're bringing on, OPENROAD. So this kind of all started from a customer that had a 270 he thought was fairly well built and very fairly priced. And he knows what we do here. He, like I said, as a customer, bought his rack from us. And we typically shy away from them internet brands that get fancy quick with super cheap items, mainly because they're kind of here today, gone tomorrow. There's really no US customer support. And that hasn't been the case with OPENROAD. They have a 3PL, so these items do ship from California. Most of their team is in China, so I shouldn't say that it's the same as working with like a 23-0 or an Overland Vehicle Systems, because it is certainly different. However, these items are very fairly priced. And like I said, got the 270 on my truck, really liked it. Brought in this tent, which is a dual hinging aluminum tent. $19.99 is what this is going for. Others in this space comparable to this, same model, 27 all the way up to $3,000. So significantly cheaper. But this right here, Tonneau retractable cover, bed rack. Bed rack looks very similar to something you've seen from other rack companies that rhyme with Rackama. And I think it's really, a great entry-level rack solution for your Tacoma, for your Tundra, Gladiator. I think they make one for an F-150 as well. This tonneau cover, $399, $499, $500. Price is right. $499 is right. And the rack on top is $599. So you're looking at an all-in setup of $1,100 right now. Now, who knows when this will air? Probably next week. That's what it is priced now. Don't quote me. But $1,100 currently at Spirit for this setup is pretty crazy. Again, they make them for a number of popular truck builds. You don't have to have the tonneau cover to run the bike rack, and vice versa. You don't have the bike rack. It's nice that they are compatible though, thanks to the T-slot. And yeah, overall, again, like nothing out of the ordinary. It's just in comparison to the competition, it is significantly less. So we'll do an in-depth review on the 270, show you why we like it, some of the advantages. Check out that on our website while you're looking at the OPENROAD products. That is $699 right now. Super nice awning. So yeah, OPENROAD. They make tonneau covers. They make racks, rooftop tents, awnings. I think they're doing winches. And so far, Mikey likey. Like I said, new to us, but we see you coming to our shop with the nature nests and the other ones. We hear a lot of nightmare stories. So again, like, we're not against the cheap internet brand. We are here to really consolidate the brands that you should be considering and save you from making a mistake. We tested these, we brought them in, we like them, so we'll carry them. You can't beat these prices. So yeah, come on down, check out OPENROAD on our site, come down to the store, check it out in person. We got the 270 on display, we got the tent, and now we've got the rack and tonneau cover so you can see for yourself. My name's Mike, this is Spirit, Castle Rock, Colorado. We do these videos where we test gear, compare side by side, all the popular brands. We do everything from racks, tents, bumpers, lights, suspension, wheels, tires. Host events. I think that's it. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.